is the 5th of July 2021. This is Tuomiokirkonkatu. But it would be Tuomiokirkonkatu in Swedish. Building 23, sticky say, here in Tampere, Finland. And then there are 10 floors here. This is amazing. And it is fast enough. There are 2 staircases here, but we have to get into the staircase B separately. An original ValmetSchlieren. Let's see when it was built. Oh, amazing style, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing color. It's built in 1969, turned 50 years old in 2019. This was just as I guessed, but probably early 1969. It's going to be speculated next year, 2022. The serial number is VS 1647. Capacity is 420 grams.
No memory.
No memory, yeah. It's a bit simple.
Schindler.
Also here the basement door is like light. The other ones are separate doors. But this is still, that's why I also think it's 1969. But of course we can compare the serial numbers.
Yeah.
We can compare it to a 1968 and 71. For 70.
Yeah.
But this was finished in 1969 also.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let's hope we will also get into the staircase video as soon as possible, as we have time.
That's